Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect MetaMask from connected sites. First, open your MetaMask extension. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Connected Sites to see a list of all decentralized applications currently linked to your wallet. This list shows you exactly which sites have permission to interact with your MetaMask account. To revoke access, simply click the trash can icon next to any site you wish to disconnect. You can also choose to disconnect all sites at once if you prefer a clean slate. Confirm your choice when prompted. This action immediately removes the site's ability to request transactions or view your account balance, significantly enhancing your wallet's security. While disconnecting removes immediate access, some sites might still appear in your history. Revoking access completely clears their permissions. For enhanced security, consider setting your MetaMask to automatically disconnect from sites after a period of inactivity. Reconnecting to a trusted site is straightforward. Simply visit the site and approve the connection request again. Always be vigilant about which sites you connect to your MetaMask wallet. Regularly reviewing your connected sites and disconnecting those you no longer use or don't fully trust is a crucial security practice. Remember to always double-check transaction details before approving them. For other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the links in the description below. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.